Hey homeowners! As summer approaches, it's time to give your furnace a well-deserved break. But before you do, let's ensure it's shut down properly to save energy and keep it in top shape for next winter. First, set your thermostat to off or switch it from heat to cool. This prevents the furnace from turning on during unexpected cold snaps. If you have a furnace-only system without central AC, turn off the power at the switch or breaker. Now's the perfect time to replace your furnace filter. A clean filter prevents dust and debris from accumulating in your system over the summer. Vacuum around the base of the furnace to remove any dust. Ensure there are no flammable materials or storage boxes nearby to maintain safety. I suggest walking through your home and checking that all supply and return vents are open and clean. Vacuum the registers and grills to improve airflow for your air conditioning system. Summer is an ideal time to schedule your annual furnace tune-up since the demand is lower. Our technicians will inspect the heat exchanger, clean internal components, and ensure your system is ready for the fall. Thinking about upgrading? A smart thermostat can help you save energy during the summer and make it easier to schedule heating again in the fall. Ready to shut down your furnace the right way? Affordable Comfort is here to help with cleaning, inspections, and maintenance plans. Contact us today to ensure your home stays comfortable year-round. From everyone at Affordable Comfort, have a great day.